Go right there. Leaving the house, running a bit behind, meeting up with the boy, going to like a car meet thing, like the little Instagram poster called it a park and chill. So we're gonna do that. Should be fun. I left my house on time this go around, trying not to be late. I leave my house on time. The second I get down the street, I'm like, fuck, tire flat, I can feel it. Quick turnaround, back to the house, grab the tire pump, it confirms, flat as shit, pumping it up. Halfway through pumping it up, my tire pump runs out of battery. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So I go to find another battery, finally find the other battery, then put it in the thing, then I get the tire pump, and then I can finally get out moving, and then I am now late. So we gotta get going. But earlier today, I hit a good old-fashioned chain service, and it's feeling good. It's still somewhat off the heels of a decently fresh oil change. I got new gloves. New gloves are feeling good. They're decently kind of broken in now, I feel like. Everything's feeling good. Yeah, you can see it's like 5:45. The thing starts at 6:30. It's gonna take like an hour to get there. Because it's 6 o'clock, we have beautiful work traffic that we kind of have to get through. Right now I'm gonna mob through traffic and pull up to the boy's house. Nico, if by any chance you're watching this, I'm sorry. I know I've been late a lot when we're going out. This time I really try to leave on time, and shit just wasn't working out for me. No, go right there. Ah, man, you gotta bully the R3 like a little bit. All right, low key, the shit's getting bad. The phone won't stay on no matter how much I need it to, because like I don't know where the fuck I'm going. All I got is these goddamn directions, but these goddamn directions don't want to goddamn direct. Can you tell by the violent sound that I've met up with my friend Nico? Probably not. Check it out, boys, we're closing in. Oh my god, we're back. It's at the fucking, I didn't realize we're at the Texas Superbikes place. Oh, Jesus Christ. The event I went to a while ago and then almost died at, or on the way home. I didn't really die at the event. It was on the way home from it, but you know, same thing. Mustang, Mustang, Mustang. It's fucking... Just gonna slide in right here. Dude, I didn't realize it looking on the maps that we were going to the Texas Superbikes place. Yeah. It wasn't until we got right there that I was like, oh shit, we're back here. Are you kidding me? Yeah, bro. Look at this V2. This thing looks so sick. Murdered out. Clutch cover. Look at fucking this sick Maserati right here. Look at this thing, dude. This is a Maserati, dude. This V2. Then we got a Mustang, a Corvette, Supra. We got the dog, McLaren. Got that Pirelli detail. Dude, it looks so clean. This McLaren is crazy. Look at the depths. Carbon fiber spoiler goes crazy, dude. Or has carbon on the inside, carbon on the mirrors, carbon fucking street fighter thing. It also has a carbon spoiler. Dude, the steering wheel looks crazy cool.
What was that?
I have no idea. It's all carbon. This is all carbon. Dude, Nico, cornering is sick, leaning is sick. Let's get 1000s be straight line warriors. It looks so much more fun. I mean, come on. Yeah, this R7, he definitely
Uses it.
Bro, his right side of his bike looks like my fucking left side, dude. I park like this, so you couldn't even, you can't tell the, this is fucking super. Dude, this is cool. Dude, look at this fucking old Mustang. This is sick. God damn. Oh, for that, too. Yeah, dude.
That's fire.
Dude, the bluing on that Mustang exhaust is so cool. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, CBR.
500.
That's wicked. Bro, it's got carbon wheels.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize the carbon wheels on it. It's so sick.
Crazy bike.
Got the goddamn. I know. I was waiting till we finally see a fucking Insta360 now.
If I spend too much time away from it.
Alright boys, we're getting out here. We're going to In-N-Out. He's waiting on me. He really wants to go. The event was cool, but you know, what is any meet if not just standing around? We kind of got parked in, so we're doing the forbidden method. Alright, you good?
Yes, sir.
Whoa! Bro, what the fuck was that? My whole rear tire just did a little whir.
Did it?
Yeah, that was crazy. The event was super chill. I enjoyed it. Hopefully somebody enjoys all the footage I try to get. I didn't want to walk around with my helmet on. It seems weird, so I just took the GoPro off and just kind of held it. Hopefully that came out all right. I'll find out later when I'm at my own computer going through it.
I was about to start doing a burnout. There's a cop right there.
Where? Oh. This shit's about to be so good, dude. Alright boys, we're leaving In-N-Out. That shit was good. I'm gonna pop up the dude's Instagram because he was such a chiller. But we met this guy in the In-N-Out because we saw him pull up on a literal brand new Ducati V4 2025. When I say brand new, I mean only 10 miles on it from the dealership that is close to here. That guy was so cool. He let us like sit on the bike and like feel how light it was in the aggressive state. Oh, it was so cool. Love that guy for that. Dude, that guy was so cool. I can't believe he just like let us sit on his brand new Ducati and everything.
Yeah, go ahead, don't worry about it.
I know. I knew the seat was like seated high, but honestly, I was sat a lot higher than I thought I would be. Like, I don't think I'm that short of a person, but I was like tiptoed on it.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It did. Shockingly comfortable. Dude, I'm not kidding, bro. Just doing this, it feels lighter than my bike. And it's got 200 fucking... Whoa. That's fucking crazy. Damn. Like, we were just coming out of the In-N-Out, and this guy was being so kind. I didn't also want to, like, throw on my helmet and then turn on the GoPro just to sit on his bike. Like, he was trying to leave, we were trying to leave. So sorry I didn't record it, but it was so sick. The 2025 Ducati V4, it is so much lighter than you think it is. Like, it is crazy. It feels like it weighs fucking nothing. And then it's got 220 horses with basically like a weightless, I mean, it's crazy. It is a crazy, crazy machine. That guy is so cool. Yeah, dude. That guy was loving the bikes. This fucking guy. He's trying to stop me.
Fucking finally!
Yeah. Was that the actual first one you've done on the R3?
Yeah, this is the first one I've ever done. On the R3, yeah.
That's crazy. Oh, that was cool. Oh man, what a good ass day it was, dude. Little car meet, little burger action. God, it was sick. I'm out of here, fellas. I'll see you in whatever the hell the next video is.